What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of F-Bomb. Long story short, I don't want to bore you guys, but I am doing a GoPro Hero giveaway. So, how y'all doing? F-Bomb Bike Life. We have been through a lot together, all my subscribers. For most of you who have seen me through, watching me grow just this past year really I've grown, reaching my count of 3,000 subscribers. I think right now I'm at 3,149, but the reason why I even got where I am right now is thanks to Moto Madness by sharing my videos. And long story short, I don't want to bore you guys, but I am doing a GoPro Hero giveaway. Why am I doing a giveaway? Because honestly, I'm sick of looking at 3,000 subscribers. I want to see more. I want more. I need more. So I'm doing an F-Bomb 6,000. I want 6,000 subscribers this time. And I will choose a winner at random to win the GoPro Hero 3. I have a GoPro Hero 3 up for grabs. That's right, up for grabs. I'm going to pick one random person to get this GoPro Hero 3. And for any of you who think I'm bullshitting, BSing, messing around, not being for real, rigged, here's proof of my last GoPro Hero winner, Bailey Crouch from Nebraska.
Hey F-Bomb, this is Bailey from Nebraska. I'm just making a video to show you my gratitude for the opportunity you've given me for allowing me to win this GoPro Hero 4 that you've sent to me. I'm excited to actually get it in the mail. I got it yesterday and I can't wait to start making content for my YouTube channel with it. So I just want to say thank you again and keep up the great work.
So the last winner, Bailey Crouch, upon request sent me a thank you video for me giving him the chance to win the GoPro. Now, being this is 6,000 subscribers, it's a lot to ask for. It's almost double what I got right now, which shouldn't be a problem considering I went from 300 to 3,000 overnight. So reaching 6,000 shouldn't be a problem in the estimated time that I'm asking for. But since it is such a big thing to ask for, so many subscribers, I'm going to throw in a $100 Amazon gift card to the second place winner. And I'll be choosing that person at the same time as the GoPro Hero 3. Gas up real quick. Alright, so back to the video. But I am doing this GoPro Hero giveaway not only because I want to see more subscriber count. Yeah, obviously I want to grow more. But for you guys who constantly watch my stuff, and to the new viewers who are gaining right now, right this second, I want to thank you guys for joining me. And I do a lot of these giveaways because I appreciate your consistent viewing of my videos. To everyone who just stops by just to say what's up, or someone who just congratulates me on something that I accomplished, those people is who I'm talking about. Thank you very much for making this possible. Everyone's saying, oh, I'm so happy you're able to do what you love to do and enjoy what you're doing and be able to get benefits out of it. But really, I'm only being able to do it because of you guys. So this GoPro Hero giveaway is thanks to you guys for sticking with me and keeping the F-Bomb Bike Life channel strong. It's because of you guys to where I am today. So what do you have to do to enter to win this GoPro or the Amazon gift card, which is $100 by the way? All you have to do, I have one specific photo on Instagram, which is right here. you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, F-Bomb Bike Life. If you're watching this video, chances are you already hit that subscribe button, which I thank you. You have to follow me on Instagram, find this photo, comment and tag 5 of your friends to join in on the contest. Now, if you tag people on the photo and they don't join in, doesn't mean you don't win. All that means is that you are doing what I ask. So, do those 3 things. Oh, this got easy stuff. Do those 3 things and enter for your chance to win this GoPro Hero 3. And the second place winner, I'm going to be choosing at the same time as the GoPro Hero 3 winner. Get in front of this guy. El Scuso. Gracias. So I hope to see you guys on this video. And once I reach 6,000 subscribers is when I will choose my winner. So good luck to everyone. Thank you again for subscribing and being part of the F-Bomb Bike Life family. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for joining me on this episode of F-Bomb. Peace!